Good morning, all of you. In this lecture, we have to discuss about the atomic quantum numbers. First, we have to see what are the atomic quantum numbers. The set of the number used to describe the position and energy of the electron in the atom is known as the quantum numbers. And there are the four quantum numbers, namely, first one is the principal quantum number, second one is secondary quantum number or angular momentum quantum number, third one is magnetic quantum number, and fourth one is spin quantum number. These four quantum numbers are denoted by the symbol. First quantum number is denoted by the symbol N, secondary quantum number is denoted by symbol L, and third magnetic quantum number is denoted by symbol ML, and fourth quantum number is denoted by the symbol MS. Then we have to see the possible values of this quantum number. First, possible value of principal quantum number is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then the possible values of angular momentum quantum number is from 0 to n minus 1. And the possible values for the magnetic quantum number is minus L to plus 1. And the possible values of spin quantum number is plus 1 half or minus 1 half. Where plus 1 value is for up shell of electrons and minus 1 value is for downward electrons. Then first we have to discuss about the principal quantum number. The principal quantum numbers are denoted by n, and this shows the properties of the orbital size and energy levels. The value of principal quantum number can be integer or a positive value, and this is equal to 1 or greater than 1. Means what? The value of principal quantum number is 1, 2, 3, etc. When n is equal to 1, it denotes the lowest innermost electron shell. Means what? It is the ground state, and value of n is equal to 2, it indicates that it is the outermost electron shell of the atom. Means what? N is equal to 2 is equal to excited state. Thus, it can understood that the principal quantum number n cannot have the negative value, or it is not equal to 0, because it is not possible for an atom to have a negative value or no value of the principal shell. Then we have to see the next quantum number, the azimuthal quantum number or orbital angular momentum quantum number. These azimuthal quantum numbers describe the shape of the given orbital, and it is denoted by the L symbol, and its value of azimuthal quantum number is equal to the total number of angular node in the orbital. Because we know that the formula of angular node is equal to L. Node is equal to L. A value of azimuthal quantum number or angular momentum quantum number can indicate that the S, P, D or F subshell in various shapes. This value of a azimuthal quantum number is denoted by the value of a principal quantum number, because when suppose S, P, D, F, in these orbitals the value of L is 0, 1, 2, 3, because formula to determine the L value is n minus 1. In this orbital n is equal to 1, in this orbital n is equal to 2, in this orbital n is equal to 3, and in fourth F orbital value of n is equal to 4, and 1 minus n minus 1 means what? 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. I think Is it clear? The another example, for example, if the n is equal to 3, if n is equal to 0, sorry, if n is equal to 1, then the value of a angular quantum number is 0, because n minus 1 is equal to 0. And if n is equal to 2, then value of quantum number is 0 and 1. If n is equal to 3, then value of quantum number is azimuthal quantum number is 2. And if n is equal to 4, then the value of angular momentum quantum number is 3. Now we have to see the third type of quantum number, that is the magnetic quantum number. Total number of orbital in a subshell or orientation of this orbital is denoted by the magnetic quantum number, and it is denoted by the symbol ml. This value of magnetic quantum number is dependent on the value of azimuthal quantum number or angular momentum quantum number. Means what? The value of ml is depends on the L quantum number. And for a given value of L, value of ml range from minus L to plus L. Therefore, it is directly depends on the value of n, because value of L is depends on the value of n. For example, if n is equal to 4 and L is equal to 3 in the atom, if n is equal to 4 and L is equal to 3 in the atom, the possible values of m quantum number are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. Means what? The value of a azimuthal quantum number is 0, then there is a S subshell, and corresponding number of orbital is 1. Okay, corresponding number of orbital is 1, because we have to denote the corresponding number of orbital by using the formula 2l plus 1. And when 2, 0 plus 1 is equal to 0, means what? There are a number of orbitals in n is equal to 0 and L is equal to n is equal to 4 and L is equal to 0 is plus 1. When there is a 1, when L is equal to 1, there is a corresponding the number of orbitals is minus 1, 0 and plus 1. Means what? The number of orbitals in this in presence of the value of L is equal to 1 and n is equal to 4 is the number of orbitals are 3. When the value of L is equal to 2, then corresponding number of orbitals are minus 2, plus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2, because 2L plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 5, and hence the number of orbitals present in the L is equal to 2 are 5. And when value of L is equal to 3, means what? There is a S subshell is present due to the principal quantum number is 4, and by using this formula there are corresponding number of orbitals are 7, and value of possible ml is minus 3, minus 2, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Now we have to see the fourth quantum number, type of 4 quantum number. This is the electron spin. This is the electron spin quantum number. The electron spin quantum number is depends on the independence on the value of n, L and ms. We have seen that the principal quantum number is independent on this any value, but the secondary quantum number, the azimuthal quantum number is depends on the value of n. The magnetic quantum number is dependent on the value of n and L, but the spin quantum number is dependent on those three values, are independent on those three values. The value of the possible values of a electron spin quantum numbers are the -1 plus 1/2 or -1/2. The positive value of a ms is implies an upward spin on the electron, which is called as a spin up. And when the value of a spin quantum number is -1/2, then means what, the ms has a negative value, and it is known as the downward spin or spin down, and it is denoted by this sign, and spin up value is denoted by this sign.